you're editing videos or podcasts the old way, stop wasting hours doing what Descript AI can do in minutes. What if I told you that you could edit videos just by editing text, remove every filler words with one click, and auto-generate captions with 95% accuracy without ever touching a timeline? Welcome to the future. This is not a tutorial. This is a cheat code for content creators. In my 15 years of YouTube, I've seen editing evolve from clunky software and manual transcription to AI powered magic. Trust me, Descript AI is the most creator friendly tool to drop in years. Whether you make YouTube videos, TikToks, create light reels, or podcasts, this tool will save you time, money, and your sanity. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from important files, editing the text, to publishing export ready content. Let's jump in. So, how the script works? You just have to upload any video file, and this script transcripts it using AI in seconds. You read it, the full transcript of the video, and editing the text edits the video. Like, simply, just imagine I'll have to delete this part. I just cut the text and voila, video is also deleted. Timeline automatically syncs with the transcript, which is actually great. And obviously, in 2025, we cannot expect less from my AI website. It's like Google Docs meets the Premiere Pro. Think of this as editing with your keyboard instead of your mouse. It's ridiculously fast. So here are some key features of this AI website. First is first. First thing first. If you have a lot of filler words, and if you're a creator like me who who uses lots of pauses in the video, then congratulations. This one's for you because this remove filler words within just one click. If you'll just find all of the filler words, as you can see, it has finded the 16, and voila, all gone. Even all of the gaps will be gone with just this one click. And if you also can't afford a good mic like me, you can turn any average mic into a pro level mic with this AI studio enhancement. It's scary how good this sound. You can't even believe in the first how good this works. Last but not least, the subtitles and captions. Here on the caption section, you will get a lots of the subtitle styles. It is actually bit. I won't say it's perfect, but yeah, it gives 90% accurate captions, which is auto generated, customizable, and obviously export ready for Instagram, YouTube, Shorts, and even Reels. So, third point is exporting and collaboration. Here are some exporting. You can export your projects in multiple formats like 720p phone. And if you go to the paid version, you will get the max 2K, 4K. Also, you can directly export it to the YouTube if you have connected them, or Google Drive, or even share an interactive link. It's totally cloud based, so you never lose your files, and your team can edit remotely. It's actually great. So last but not least, the use cases. Who should use this kit? If you're a YouTuber, you can trim content lightning fast. If you're a podcasters, you can clean your audios, remove dead spaces. If you're an agency owner or even educators, you can rapid turnaround for client projects, or turn videos into blog posts using transcript. It's not just a tool, it's a full content pipeline in one place. And here's the bottom line: AI will not replace editors, but editors who use AI will replace the ones who don't. This script is that tool. If you're serious about creating faster, smarter, and more efficiently, start using Descript today. I use it every day now. And if you found this video helpful, drop a comment saying AI editing is the future, and I know you're in. Subscribe if you want more real tools that will 10x your workflow. No fluff, just results. And if you're stuck, I'll reply to questions in the comment personally. Peace.